Volkswagen is expanding the ID family with the arrival of the ID.5, the first coupe SUV on the MEB platform, and the flagship GTX version has already been introduced at the launch. The dual-motor all-wheel drive of the ID.5 GTX will be powered by an e-motor on the front and rear axles. Total output is 299 horsepower and all ID.5 engine types are powered by a large, long-range 77 kWh battery. Charging is available up to 130 kilowatts on fast charger. Visually, the car is more aggressive with the black elements, different wheels and impressive lighting signatures of the IQ Matrix LED. Overall, I quite like the design of this thing and actually looks more sporty and more dynamic than the ID.4. Tell me in your comments, how do you like it?